I think at this point there should be a series called Me versus Rain, because like every ride I go has rain lah. So I wonder why am I riding. I know it's gonna rain, but why am I riding? Many people cancelled the ride because of their rain, and I saw many people going back the other way. So let's pray we don't get the rain. I hope not. I hope we really don't get in the rain. I don't want to get in the rain anymore. It's been like what, 4 weeks constantly in the rain. Please don't rain. Why forever raining, Ellie? Why always rain? Our luck, man. It's a 4-week raining, right? We have rain for 4 weeks in a row. That's a bit sad. Just stop at a cafe. We're going for another cafe again because we got nothing better to do. Yes, it's drizzling. Today became a park connector, right? Stop number 3. Why we like eat today?
Sunday on today's cafe food journey is
So it's just a short video. There isn't much going on. We decided to carry on with the ride even though that there was rain. We stopped at some cafes and then it just became a short food trip with the 3 to 4 of us. We ended off with the ride having lunch at the Chinatown market, where it was supposed to be like our ending point as a group, but it just goes to show you that rides don't always work out lah. So it's okay. Ride safe. Thank you for the support, and let's wait out for the next video.